This 2013 Airstream Flying Cloud 19CB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 19 feet 2 inches in length and features a Golden Knight, Golden Hull interior, sleeps 4, spare tire kit, awning, TV, DVD player, LP detector, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, oven, leveling jacks, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2013 Airstream Flying Cloud 19CB is 3,792 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.